A massive drop in profits. Kumba Iron Ore has reported earnings fell by 83%. The company only managed to make 2.5 billion rand in profit, down from 19 billion achieved in 2014. Well, the slump in commodity prices continues to weigh on mining companies globally.
Kumba Iron Ore is the biggest iron ore miner in Africa. It's the fourth biggest in the world. Kumba exports mainly to China increased to record levels last year, but the massive slump in commodity prices, including iron ore, is hitting the company very hard in the pocket.
In 2014, the prices were at 97. In 2015, they're down to 56. And by the way, they got all the way down to $38.50 in December of 2015. So therefore, our margins are squeezed and we're making significantly less money than we would have been doing before when prices were higher.
Revenue slumped by 24% to 36 billion rand. In fact, the company would have made a loss last year, not a profit, if it wasn't for the rand weakening to record levels last year.
Definitely, our financials will be worse. You will notice that our revenue benefited by 3 or 4 billion this year purely by the rand devaluing. So to that extent, our financials would have been very badly affected. We are thankful that the rand has been helping us in this difficult period that we're going through.
Kumba shocked many people last week when it announced that it plans to retrench 4,000 workers at its Sishen mine in Kimberley.
We must remember that Sishen is a 1953 mine. It has been operating since 1953. It's an old mine. Therefore, we are a lot deeper than where we would be in a newer mine. All our competitors in Brazil and our competitors in Australia, where most of the iron ore is produced, have got much newer mines where the strip ratio is much lower, and that's what Sishen is competing against. As a result of that, the unit cost of production at Sishen has been quite high. This year it was 311 rand a ton. We need to lower that unit cost in order for us to be competitive and for Sishen to survive. Hence, we've changed the mine plan, and the new mine plan requires a lower level of equipment and a lower level, therefore a lower number of people to be able to operate that mine.
SARS has accused Kumba of not meeting all its tax obligations. This pertains to corporate tax between 2006 and 2010. A 2 billion rand fine has been levied on the company. But Kumba says it is a good corporate citizen of this country and maintains it does not owe SARS a cent. Mbongini Muchwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.